She couldn't pay for the repair. He asked for 1 cup of coffee instead. The old sedan rolled into the repair shop with a sound that made everyone turn their heads. It wasn't just another broken car. It was the last thing standing between a mother and the fragile life she had spent years trying to rebuild. When the mechanic finished inspecting it, the silence that followed was heavier than the engine itself. The repair bill would cost more than the woman had left in her bank account, and for a long moment, it seemed as though hope had finally run out. If you believe that kindness, hope, forgiveness, compassion, and second chances can still change lives, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs encouragement, leave a thoughtful comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps more uplifting stories reach people who need them the most. The woman was named Rachel, and she lived in a quiet neighborhood outside Columbus, Ohio. At 34, life had already taught her lessons that many people never faced. After losing her husband to a sudden illness 3 years earlier, every day became a careful balancing act between raising her 8-year-old son, Noah, working 2 part-time jobs, and keeping their small apartment filled with warmth, despite the financial struggles that never seemed to end. Her aging sedan was more than transportation. It carried Noah to school, brought groceries home, and got Rachel to every shift that kept the lights on. That Monday morning, smoke drifted from under the hood just as she pulled into the parking lot of a local repair shop called Harper Automotive. She prayed it would be something simple. Instead, the inspection revealed major engine damage. The estimate was over $2,000. Rachel stared at the paper until the numbers blurred. She quietly searched her wallet, knowing it held barely enough for groceries that week. Embarrassment settled over her as she admitted she couldn't afford even a fraction of the repair. The shop owner, a 46-year-old mechanic named Nathan, had spent most of his life fixing cars. Grease stained his hands every day, but years of meeting people had also taught him how to recognize pain hidden behind polite smiles. Rachel never asked for sympathy. She simply thanked him for his time, folded the estimate, and began walking toward the door, already wondering how she would explain to her employer that she could no longer make it to work. Nathan watched her pause beside the broken sedan. She rested one hand on the roof, closed her eyes, and took a deep breath, as though trying not to cry where strangers could see. Something about that moment reminded him of his own mother decades earlier, standing beside an old pickup after his father had lost his job. He still remembered the neighbor who had quietly helped them without asking for anything in return. That memory had stayed with him longer than any lesson from school. Nathan called Rachel, back before she reached the sidewalk. Instead of discussing payment plans or loans, he simply smiled and told her there was one condition if she wanted him to repair the car. Confused, Rachel looked at him, expecting another impossible offer. Nathan explained that when the work was finished, she only needed to bring him 1 cup of coffee someday. Nothing expensive, just an ordinary cup shared between 2 people who believed the world still had room for kindness. Rachel thought she had misunderstood. Tears filled her eyes before she could stop them. Pride had kept her from asking for help for years, yet here was a stranger offering dignity instead of charity. Nathan and his small team stayed late every evening that week, repairing the engine with donated parts collected from trusted suppliers and countless unpaid hours of labor. No one complained. Somehow, every mechanic understood exactly why they were doing it. When Rachel returned to collect the sedan, it ran more smoothly than it had in years. She placed a simple paper coffee cup on Nathan's workbench with trembling hands. It wasn't the price of the repair. It was a promise that kindness would never be forgotten. Nathan accepted it with a grateful smile, believing the story had ended there. But life had different plans. Months later, Rachel's situation slowly improved. She earned a full-time position at the community library, giving Noah stability he had not known in years. One snowy afternoon, she noticed an elderly man struggling with a dead battery in the parking lot. Without hesitation, she paid for roadside assistance, remembering that impossible day at the repair shop. She never mentioned Nathan's name, but his kindness quietly traveled from one stranger to another. Years passed before Nathan discovered the ripple effect. A local newspaper published an article about small acts of generosity transforming neighborhoods across Ohio. Rachel's story inspired readers, churches, schools, and local businesses to create a community fund that helped families facing unexpected emergencies. Hundreds of people benefited from something that had begun with a single mechanic, asking for nothing more than one cup of coffee. If this story has touched your heart so far, please leave a comment and tell us where you're watching from, or share one act of kindness that changed your own life. Your words may encourage someone else who is silently struggling today. Nathan eventually stood in the repaired community center, where volunteers celebrated another family receiving help. Rachel handed him another cup of coffee, this time surrounded by people whose lives had been changed, because one person chose compassion over profit. Neither of them spoke very much. They didn't need to. The smiles, grateful tears, and hopeful faces around them said everything. If this story moved you, please like the video, share it with someone who could use a reminder that goodness still exists, and subscribe for more inspiring stories filled with hope and compassion. Sometimes the greatest miracles are not measured by money, grand speeches, or extraordinary gifts. Sometimes they begin with one simple decision, one ordinary cup of coffee, and one person who refuses to let another lose hope. And long after the coffee grows cold, the kindness it represents continues warming hearts that may never even know where it first began.